how to manage permissions for phone-based personalized suggestions for Android system intelligence on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, we scroll down, then tap on apps. Next, tap on the filter button, then tap on all, and then tap on show system apps. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on, then tap on OK. Then in here we can use the search button, or you can scroll up or down, so we can look for the intelligence Android intelligence app, or you can use the search button. So here we got the Android system intelligence, so you can tap on that. Now in here you can choose to turn on or turn off notifications for this application, but more importantly is the permissions section. So if we tap on that, in here you can tap on the app that you want to grant or deny access. So here we can choose to deny access to the usage of microphone, so we tap on that and then choose don't allow, then tap on don't allow anyway, and then tap on the back key. If you want to grant permission, you can just tap on that and then tap on allow only while using the app, then tap on the back key, and that is how you can change the permission for the apps for the Android system intelligence. And down here you can set the default settings, and after that you can tap on configure Android system intelligence to view more information. Now there is another section where you can further customize your Android intelligence. So here, so we go down, so we go back to settings. In settings, scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. Then we scroll down and tap on more privacy settings. Next, tap on Android system intelligence. In here you can also set the permission for the keyboard suggestions, so you can turn it off or switch it on. You can clear the data, so you can clear the data for the last hour, last 24 hours, or all time. Then tap on the clear data button. Here we got the on device recognition, so you can add in a language to use the on device speech recognition. And that's it. So that is how you can manage permissions for the phone-based personalized suggestions for the Android system intelligence. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.